Hi, this is Mrs. Nelson. I want to show you an addition strategy that's called compensation. Essentially, compensation means taking from one and giving to another. And we do this so that we can make easier numbers. So let's look at a couple examples. So I have 27 plus 48. And you may have seen this on Facebook. It's a viral post of how do people add these different numbers. And this is how I chose to add them when I added them mentally in my head. And so I want to share that strategy with you and apply it to that Facebook strategy. So with compensation, we want to take from one and give it to the other. So I'm going to take 2 from 27 and give it to 48. Why? Because I wanted to make 48 a number that was easier to work with. It is so close to 50. So I took 2 from 27 and I gave it to 48 so that I could come up with 25 plus 50 instead. So 25 plus 50 is going to be much easier to add, and since I'm good at adding money, I recognize this is like 2 quarters plus another quarter. That's 75 cents. So 25 plus 50 is 75. So 27 plus 48 is 75. All right, so let's look at another one. We have 16 plus 29. 29 is almost 30. So I want to take from 16 and give to 29 so that I have numbers that are easier to work with. So I'm going to take 1 from 16 and I'm going to give it to 29 to make 30. So when I take that 1 from 16, I get 15, and when I gave that 1 to 29, I got 30. Now adding 30 plus 15 is much easier. So 30 plus 10 is 40, plus 5 more is 45. So 16 plus 29 is 45. Thanks for learning with me.